Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. We have a new drop. It is out right now, but I'm here to tell you all about it. Let me introduce to you our brand new Until Dawn Brown Sugar. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I have been thinking and dreaming about this product for so long. If you guys didn't know, we launched our first ever glitter spray in the Wicked Broadway collection with One Size Beauty, the Glinda popular setting spray. I want to tell you, that was viral, very popular. It broke the internet. You guys know, sold out, brought it back in the classic One Size branding, sold out again. And since then, I've been dreaming of this bronze brown sugar type of color. And here we are finally with it officially live and available right now. Until Dawn Brown Sugar Waterproof Makeup Setting Spray. I just want to talk about the packaging really quick just because, you know, we're here and I just have to share all the love for this because this is like our last brand new launch of the year. This is the bottle, of course. We have a band just because we've extended the product range in Until Dawn. We have classic, which is waterproof, and then this one has this bronze band on the top that says brown sugar. Love that. And what's really cool is that there is a bronze nozzle right on top and it's wrapped in this beautiful glitter cling wrap. I love it. It's so gorgeous. So when you have it on your shelf, you cannot mistake it for the regular Until Dawn or the Go Off makeup remover or any other setting spray because there's no one like this. And by the way, Until Dawn, if you haven't heard me say it before, is the #1 selling product in America. So why not have a sister to the original Until Dawn? So if you guys do not know about Until Dawn, all the products Until Dawn are 16-hour wear, waterproof, transfer proof, literally locks in your makeup all day. You guys can see it. I have it all over my face. I have it all over my arms. I have it all over my chest, and it is giving gorgeous, but the glitter is not gonna go anywhere. This is perfect for parties. I originally came out with this to spray on the body and on the legs and on the shoulders. People started spraying it on the face and in their hair, and guess what? You can do that. You most definitely can spray in the hair, on the face, on the body. But since I am talking about how gorgeous this is, it is a special product that is the highest of quality. You guys can see the shimmers. There's also green tea extract to tighten the look of pores, and also witch hazel to keep the skin underneath matte. Before you guys run and buy it and use it, I just want to come on here on YouTube to tell you guys how to use it. So first, make sure you shake it really well, aggressively, because if you don't, all the glitter settle at the bottom. And yes, you can spray it in one go, just like that, but I will say, spray it in 2 to 3 second type of burst and circular motion. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It'll prevent your product from clogging. So shake really well, spray it on the face, on the hair, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you guys will be fine. I love personally spraying it on the collarbones, on the shoulders, on the legs. But for today, I mean, like, can you guys see the shimmer on my face? This is perfect for like New Year's. This is our last launch of the year for the holidays. So send this to your boyfriend, your man, your partner to grab the stocking stuffer, because I don't know how crazy this is gonna go on TikTok or online, like our glitter and our products before, but this is like a limited edition drop available only on Sephora.com, OneSizeBeauty.com, TikTok shop. So please run and grab it because you guys are not gonna regret it. It's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed, and I know you guys will be too. But most of all, like, thank you for showing the brand and One Size so much love. This year was like insane with the love for our powder melt glass setting spray and all of our other products at One Size. It just means so much to me as a founder, and I can't thank you guys enough for the constant support and the love and the praise for the brand that I launched 5 years ago. So thank you guys so much. Check out Brown Sugar, available right now. Run, don't walk. Lock in your sparkles. Shine all day and shine all night. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.